You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this name once and for all correctly and word. If you want to learn more confusing names, including from Hebrew, stay tuned. The Hebrew pronunciation, Ephron. Therefore, in English, you're going to have different pronunciations, and that's where the confusion perhaps comes from, but maybe you can help. Ephron is one of the pronunciations in English, Ephron or Ephron. That's also a pronunciation that is used. How do you pronounce it? Where are you from as well? Let us know in the comments so we can all learn how you like it pronounced, Ephron or Ephron. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.